Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. What we're doing today may well be economically pointless by 2026. We're installing Ubuntu MATE 24.04.3 LTS on a ThinkPad X220. Yes, a machine from 2011. Second generation Intel Core processor, thick bezels, 7-row keyboard. No nonsense. Truth be told, I reckon that's precisely why it matters. Let us first discuss the hardware of this ThinkPad X220. Intel Core i5 2520M, 4GB DDR3 memory, 120GB SATA solid-state drive, 1366 by 768 matte display, Intel HD 3000 graphics, no NVMe, no Thunderbolt, no soldered memory modules, no firmware issues. This is simply a machine designed to be opened, serviced, and used. You remove the battery. You loosen a few screws. You're in. Such straightforward honesty is increasingly rare these days. Modern laptops feel like sealed appliances. The X220 feels like a proper piece of kit. Now, the obvious question arises. Why not use Arch? Why not use Debian? Why not try an ultra-minimal distribution? Because this isn't about pursuing minimalism. MATE 24.04.3 LTS offers us 5 years of support, a mature software ecosystem, familiar workflows, moderate resource consumption, stability over experimentation, and more importantly, MATE suits the X220. It doesn't seek to dazzle. It doesn't attempt to reinvent computing. It respects the desktop metaphor. This aligns perfectly with the ethos embodied by this laptop. Over the coming sessions, I shall guide you step by step through installing Ubuntu MATE from scratch on this ThinkPad X220. This is a genuine setup, genuine configuration, genuine usage. It is a complete live-action installation process and exploration video. So if you enjoy exploring Linux, vintage hardware, the classic ThinkPad series, and slow, detailed explanations, then you've come to the right place. Before commencing the installation, let us ensure all necessary items are at hand. Consider this our pre-flight checklist. First, your ThinkPad X220. Ensure it is fully charged, or ideally remain plugged into the mains throughout the process. Second, a USB drive of at least 8GB capacity. This will serve as our installation medium. Third, a reliable internet connection. This is required to download the Ubuntu MATE ISO file. Fourth, download the Ubuntu MATE ISO on another computer and create a bootable USB. Finally, if your ThinkPad X220 hard drive contains any important data, back it up immediately. Once you have all these items ready, we can proceed to the next step. Our first step is to obtain the Ubuntu MATE ISO file. This step requires a functional computer with an internet connection. Open your web browser, search for Ubuntu MATE on Google, and visit the official Ubuntu MATE website. On the Ubuntu MATE official website, click Download to proceed to the download page. You will now see multiple versions of Ubuntu MATE available. For this guide, we require the LTS version Ubuntu MATE 24.04.3 LTS. This is the officially recommended release for stability and mission-critical systems. Ubuntu MATE offers multiple download methods. Select the most suitable option to commence. The Ubuntu MATE ISO file is approximately 4.1 GB in size. Downloading may take some time, so please be patient. During the download process, we need to prepare a tool to write the Ubuntu MATE ISO file to a USB drive, making it bootable. I habitually use Balena Etcher. It is cross-platform, free, and extremely easy to use. Please download and install Etcher on your current computer. After downloading the Ubuntu MATE ISO file and installing Etcher, insert your USB drive. Open Etcher, select the downloaded Ubuntu MATE ISO file, then choose your USB drive as the target drive. Please double-check that you have selected the correct drive. Choosing the wrong one may erase important data on other drives. Click Flash and let Etcher work its magic. This process may take several minutes, depending on the speed of your USB drive. Upon completion, you will receive a confirmation message. Do not format the USB drive afterwards, simply eject it safely. Once the Ubuntu MATE bootable USB drive is prepared, we insert it into the ThinkPad X220. Power on the ThinkPad X220, then press the F1 key to enter the BIOS utility settings. Within the BIOS utility settings, we first press the F9 key to restore the default settings. Next, navigate to the Startup section. Afterwards, we select UEFI Legacy Boot Priority and set it to UEFI only. Next, press F10 to save and exit. The ThinkPad X220 will now reboot. When the ThinkPad boot screen reappears, press F12 to enter the boot menu. Within the boot menu, select Boot from USB HDD and press Enter to confirm the selection. Now you see Ubuntu MATE's new grub. There are numerous options here, but for a smooth standard installation on older hardware, the default choice is usually optimal. So the first option, Try or Install Ubuntu MATE, is precisely what we require. Select it and press the Enter key to confirm your choice. Your ThinkPad X220 laptop will now load the fully functional Ubuntu MATE live desktop environment directly from your USB drive without accessing your internal hard drive. Even on older hardware like the ThinkPad X220, Ubuntu MATE loads quite swiftly. It took us less than a minute and a half to boot into Ubuntu MATE's splendid live desktop. The Ubuntu MATE live desktop environment is truly excellent, allowing you to test whether all the hardware on your ThinkPad X220 functions correctly. This includes components such as Wi-Fi, audio, touchpad, keyboard, and USB ports. It provides an opportunity to identify any compatibility issues before proceeding with installation. You may access existing drives within the live environment. Should you not have cleared your data, you can copy any required files at this stage, though you should have already backed them up. Within Ubuntu MATE's live desktop environment, you can also test or trial the operating system's various features. Before installation, I always spend a few minutes moving the mouse, opening menus, and ensuring the system runs smoothly. You'll find Ubuntu MATE runs remarkably cleanly and smoothly. It lacks flashy thrills but offers rock-solid stability. This holds true even when booting from a USB stick, and that's precisely what we want. The X220's hardware, particularly models equipped with solid-state drives, provides excellent support for lightweight Linux distributions. Testing and trialing prior to installation maximizes assurance that Ubuntu MATE is compatible with your ThinkPad X220's hardware. If all tests proceed successfully, we can proceed with the installation. On the Ubuntu MATE live desktop, you will notice an icon labeled Install Ubuntu MATE. Double-clicking this will launch the installer, which will display a welcome window. The installer for the new Ubuntu MATE release is built using Flutter, offering a more contemporary visual aesthetic. It will guide us step by step through the entire installation process. Step 1. Set your preferred language. This is typically your preferred language by default, though you may configure it to any language you favor. Here, I have selected American English. Click Next to proceed. Step 2. Accessibility features in Ubuntu MATE. Before proceeding with setup, customize Ubuntu MATE to suit your requirements. These settings may be altered later within System Settings. Click Next to proceed. Step 3. Configure your keyboard layout. You may also test your keyboard layout in the provided text box. My ThinkPad X220 uses a standard US keyboard layout, so unless you employ a different layout, select this option. Click Next to proceed. Step 4. Network configuration. Connecting to a network allows simultaneous installation of third-party software, downloading updates, automatic time zone detection, and installation of full language support. As my network connection was unstable at this time, I opted for an offline installation without network access. Click Next to proceed. Step 5. Select installation method. Here we choose the interactive installation, which will guide us step by step through the entire process. Click Next to continue. Step 6. Select installation type. Here we opt for the full MATE Suite installation, as its software selection is exceptionally well curated. This will install the complete Ubuntu MATE desktop environment alongside all standard applications, including Firefox, LibreOffice, multimedia players, and games. Click Next to proceed. Step 7. Installing recommended proprietary software. We tick the box to install third-party graphics and Wi-Fi hardware drivers. This is essential for MP3 playback and video codecs. It will also significantly enhance our multimedia experience. Click Next to continue. Step 8. Select the installation type, which is the most crucial step. For most users, particularly if you wish Ubuntu MATE to be your sole operating system, or if you can erase everything on your ThinkPad X220 hard drive, choose Erase Disk and install Ubuntu MATE. This is the simplest option. It is highly recommended for most users installing Ubuntu MATE as the sole operating system on a ThinkPad X220. It will erase your entire hard drive and automatically create the necessary partitions. If you select this option, ensure you have backed up your data. Click Next to proceed. Step 9. Create your user account. Enter your name, computer name, username, and password. You may also choose to log in automatically or require a password for login. Ensure you remember your password, as it will be required for future system logins and administrative tasks. Click Next to proceed. Step 10. Localization settings. Tap your location on the map or enter your city. This will set your location and time zone, ensuring your clock remains accurate. Click Next to proceed. Step 11. Review your selections. The dialog box displays changes about to be written to disk. This is our final opportunity to verify everything before making any alterations to the hard drive. If all appears correct, we may proceed by clicking Install. Step 12. The system begins installation. During this period, the installer will copy files, install the system, and configure everything. On this ThinkPad X220 laptop, the Ubuntu MATE installation process actually took less than 9 minutes. During this time, you will see a progress bar and a slideshow of Ubuntu MATE. Step 13. Installation complete. The installer informs us Ubuntu MATE is now installed. We may now choose to restart into the new system or continue using Ubuntu MATE's live environment. We shall now select Restart now to apply the new operating system. During the restart, once the screen goes black, it is crucial to remove the USB installation media. This prevents your ThinkPad X220 from attempting to boot from the USB again. As the ThinkPad boot screen reappears, we see the Ubuntu MATE boot icon. This ThinkPad X220 is about to deliver our moment of truth. The first post-installation boot proves even swifter than live mode. The Ubuntu MATE desktop loads in an instant. No error messages, no compatibility warnings, no delays, no frantic hunt for drivers, no drama. This alone makes it worthwhile. The desktop environment is clean and restrained. Menu placement is exactly as you'd expect. System settings are logically organized. Nothing jars. For the ThinkPad X220, this is precisely the right approach. After rebooting, reaching the desktop took approximately 1 minute. For a fresh Linux installation, our first task should be checking for updates. Although the Ubuntu MATE ISO is current, new security patches and software updates are always available. We shall now update the system via the command line using the terminal. The terminal is both powerful and swift. You may launch it by clicking its icon or using the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+T. First, type sudo apt update and press enter. You will be prompted for your password. This command updates the list of available packages. At this point, we can type apt list --upgradable to view software eligible for upgrading. Next, enter sudo apt-get dist-upgrade and press enter. This displays a list of all upgradable packages. Press Y for yes to proceed with the installation. This ensures you possess all the latest security patches and software, representing a crucial first step in maintaining security and stability. Once the updates are installed, we must restart the computer to apply the newly installed changes. This video isn't about how to rescue an old laptop. Rather, it's to demonstrate that old hardware never lets us down. The real disappointment has never been the hardware itself. Running on this ThinkPad X220 is Ubuntu MATE 24.04.3 LTS. It's this operating system that has made this decade-old machine smooth, quiet, and reliable once more. It reminds us of a simple truth: technology need not advance by discarding the past. Moreover, this ThinkPad X220 holds no particular legend, no modifications, no overclocking, no exceptionally rare configuration. That is precisely the point. Thousands upon thousands of X220s like this exist worldwide. They lie forgotten in drawers, piled in warehouses, labeled obsolete. Windows has long ceased to be designed for them. Manufacturers have stopped caring. But Linux hasn't. Ubuntu MATE 24.04.3 LTS demonstrates one thing with remarkable restraint: progress need not erase the past. It doesn't force this machine to become something else. It doesn't demand a new account system. No mandatory online verification. No hardware checklist to meet. It simply runs steadily. I pause here not because the system is flawless, nor because there are no further tests to conduct, but because the core is sufficiently clear. This ThinkPad X220 remains here. Ubuntu MATE 24.04.3 LTS continues to run. Unlocked, unforced to upgrade, undeclared obsolete, just a machine. And a suite of software willing to respect it. As this video draws to a close, I'd like to leave you with a simple thought. Computers needn't necessarily be discarded. Outdated hardware still holds value, especially when paired with software genuinely designed for efficiency and stability. The ThinkPad X220 running Ubuntu MATE 24.04 LTS stands as a clear testament to this. If you happen to have an old machine lying around, I'd urge you to give it a try yourself. Have you ever installed Linux on a ThinkPad X220? Have you experienced Ubuntu MATE on an older laptop? Which vintage device have you revived with Linux? Do share your experiences and thoughts in the comments section. If you found this episode helpful, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check the show notes for further details. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.